Juliet. One moment, please.
Most amazing veteran zombie hunter ever.
Juliet, it looks like you've really gotten ahead in life.
My teacher, Morikawa Sensei, is the most amazing veteran zombie hunter ever.
Something has gone wrong. Studied the zomboid sciences for 40 years. Both of you, the school is in dire land. My research tells me that somehow on a cosmic scale.
That's a massive bummer.
That completely sucks.
Let me show you. The universe is composed of the land beyond words, those of our dimension to Earth. There are dimensional walls between each, using a combination of breath, magic, and explosive. Someone cracked the wall between Earth and Rotten World, and the gases of Rotten World seeped into our world. Your friends and fellow students inhale these gases, which transform them into the undead. Well, whoever did this could be trying to open a permanent gate between here and rock. Our mission would be catastrophic. Unfortunately, they have become zombies. There is no return. All we can do is clean up the school, kill the undead, and stop the bomber. Then the bomber is either in the cafeteria downstairs or the courtyard. You destroy the zombies. I shall look in the courtyard. I'm counting on you both. Kill the motherfuckers!
Check. 1, 2, 3.